I love about paint is there's so many different kinds of paint. There's paint for your house and your walls. There's the watercolor painting that I did on a different video. And then there's this awesome tempera paint, which I love because it is so thick and juicy and it's really fun to explore. Parents, invite your child to experiment with some of the different kinds of painting. I am going to walk you through how to create a paint sensory bag. So this is a great activity for children who aren't quite ready to do some exploring, free exploring with their painting and would like the opportunity to explore paint anyway. It really allows children to use their fine motor skills as they're looking to explore the paint in the bag. And it also helps them to understand some of the differences in viscosity when you're working with some paint. So all you'll need is just some paint. I have a big, huge jar of yellow paint here that we'll definitely be using throughout this week. And just a simple Ziploc baggie. If you'd like, you can use the bigger freezer size or the quart size baggies to allow for some extra exploration and room. And you're just gonna take a little bit of paint and pour it right into that baggie. Once you have enough, I'm being very frugal with my paint because I wanna have some to be able to use for some of our other jobs. You'll zip it up and make sure it's flat. And then parents, if you'd like, you can place a piece of tape over the top of it to ensure that your child will not get into that bag. Then you'll tape it to a table or place it down onto the floor, and you'll encourage them to just explore the paint through touch and feel. It feels really cool inside the bag because the bag kind of sticks to itself. You can use all kinds of different materials on top of this. You can try running a car over the top of it, or even try putting a paintbrush over the top of it to draw around. If you're just using one color, keep that bag because we're gonna do some color mixing and we wanna mix some of those different colors together.